Hello from Fairshare IT Services. We have around 150 clients. So in any given week, we have to send an email to one of our clients mentioning about the renewal of their annual maintenance contract. So every customer is a different customer. So what happens is that their renewal date is different. Their the amount of the renewal is different based on whether the domain renewal is including hosting renewal is included. Then like here, the GST is always constant, but basically depending on the service, that also might change the kind of service that we are giving it to the client. And like so many factors are changing. So we want to make sure that when we are sending an email to a customer, then we don't manually edit the email actually. So manually editing email, what happens is that you change this date in one place, and then here the date will remain older actually, right? Or for example, the amount will change here, but then the amount will remain the same here, right? So these kind of confusions always happen when we are changing, editing that email manually by looking, reading each and every word inside the email. So Google Sheet is a very good tool, and if you use properly, then it can do like wonder for you. So for example, here, if the date is going to be, like, say, instead of May, if it is going to be June, then I'll enter June here. Now let's say that I'll correct the GST. It is going to be 18%. Then let's say hosting is included. I'll say no for this client. And then if hosting has reduced, then this will come down to, let's say, 14,000, right? So now I have got this in front of me, and of course I can click on the drop down and choose like another client, like in this case, right? So what happens is that once I change the structured data, right, because this is right in front of you like a form, so I'm changing it, and it is easy to change this way actually, and the chances of making an error are very less. So when I do that, and if I click on the ready mail, then what happens is that you'll see that this has changed to June here as well as here. Then the GST has changed 18% here, amount has changed properly, domains included, yes, no. So like it has happened very fast, first of all, immediately. But more than the speed, it has reduced the chances of the error. So in your company also, I'm very sure that there are certain things that you are doing repeatedly and then spending a lot of time on it, and then maybe it's error prone. So if you want to kind of increase the efficiency and reduce the chances of error, then please do contact Fairshare, and we can help you set up certain tools like this. Thank you.